Understanding SSH, be quiet, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, SSH, be quiet. This phrase is often used in daily conversation, and understanding it can be very helpful for English language learners. Let's dive in and understand what this phrase means and how to use it correctly. The phrase, SSH, be quiet, is used to ask someone to stop talking or to make less noise. It's often used in situations where silence is required or desired. For example, in a library, a movie theater, or when someone is trying to concentrate or sleep. Let's break down the phrase, SSH. This is an onomatopoeic word that mimics the sound of a soft shush. It's a gentle way of asking for silence. Be quiet. This is a straightforward instruction asking someone to lower their voice or stop making noise. Understanding the context of when to use SSH, be quiet, is crucial. It's a phrase that can be seen as polite or impolite, depending on the tone and situation. In a formal setting, use a gentle tone. For example, if you're in a library, you might whisper, SSH, be quiet, to someone who is talking loudly. With friends or in informal settings, it can be more casual. For instance, if you're watching a movie at home with friends, you might say, hey, SSH, be quiet, in a light-hearted way if someone is interrupting the film. While SSH, be quiet, is widely understood, it's important to use it sensitively. In some cultures or situations, it might be seen as rude or too direct. Here are some alternatives. Could you please lower your voice? More polite and formal. Let's try to keep it down. A softer, more inclusive way of asking for quiet. We need to be a bit quieter here, a gentle reminder of the need for quiet without directly telling someone to be quiet. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, SSH, be quiet, and how to use it appropriately in different contexts. Remember, the tone and situation are key in determining how this phrase is received. Happy learning, and stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks.